Hey, what's up guys? Here with another video. I just left the auto parts store and when this person came up to me trying to figure out how to change the light bulb, the rear tail light bulb on their Jeep. So they had taken apart, they took off these 4 screws here, and they were able to change it, but I just informed them that all they needed to do was just take out the 2 center screws. There's no need to remove all 4. So all you have to do is just remove these 2 screws. So, trying to do this with one hand while I hold the camera. Screws loosen up enough I can turn it by hand. Loosen enough. I'm gonna lose these screws. Let me just take them out. And I just push it to my left, and there you go. You have the tail light out away from the vehicle without having to remove these other 2 screws. And then after that, it's just simply twist again to your left, and there's your bulb. And this particular bulb, I think, is, what is it? 3157, and it's the same for both the driving lights and turn signal, and for the reverse lights. And that's all to it. The same goes for the other tail light on the other side. All right. Just a simple video to show you how to replace your bulb. And I'll just show you that. Just pull the bulb straight out from the socket. Twisting, nothing, just pull the bulb straight out. And get your new bulb and just press it right in. Press it in and it snaps right in. And that's it. Alright. Just a simple video for those maybe new Jeep owners who don't really know. They don't have to disassemble the whole light bulb. The whole light fixture, or remove the whole lens, just the 2 inner bolts. Alright, so until next time, I'm out.